This kitchen down in Highlands Ranch, Colorado has outdated builder grade cabinets with golden oak finish, faded melamine side panels, raised panel doors, and cathedral arch with flat slab drawer fronts and standard overlay spacing. And it's about a 20-year-old home, and I would call it your pretty basic builder grade special. And in the after, you can see it's completely updated and customized with the cascade maple finish and a shaker recessed door with recessed profile drawer fronts, matching maple wood side panels, full baseboard wraparound, full overlay spacing conversions, new soft close Euro hinges, new drawer boxes and soft close, new pull-out trays with soft close in the pantry, and new handles installed.